Our interactive design tool offers an array of features and benefits, the best of which is giving you the opportunity to proof your artwork online. Once your design is complete, all you need to do is select the Download PDF Proof button in the top right of the screen. Save the file to your device or view the PDF right in the browser to see your artwork in real time. Please note that the proof can take some time to download depending on the size of your file and the quality of your internet connection. Once your file is open, there are a few things to do to ensure your artwork is print ready. You'll want to see your design in full size to check for quality. So first find the zoom option and increase it to 100%.
Make sure all text and logos are in the blue safe area. Keep any design elements within the pink trim area. Anything past that will be trimmed off.
Then, starting at the top left corner of the document, scroll to the right until you reach the top right. Scroll down a little, then repeat this process until you've made it all the way to the bottom. So what are you looking for while you review? Quality concerns, typos, and placement issues. If you find anything that you don't want visible when printed, swap out that part of your design and proof the file again. Once you're happy with your design, the rest is easy. Simply close out of the proof and click the Add to Cart button. You'll be prompted to give final approval of your design, and once you do, you'll be able to add your product to the cart and complete your purchase. And that's it. Now your file is on its way to our printers, and we're getting ready to complete your order. Still have questions? Our customer service team is always happy to help. Simply call, email, or chat with us, and we'll help send you on your way to a one-of-a-kind display.